Hi Sam. Are you ready for another word today?
Hi Alex. Yes, I am. What's the word we're learning?
Today we're diving into.
Tagesablauf.
It means.
Daily routine.
Oh, cool. So, is it just about what we do every day?
Exactly. You could also think of it as a schedule or a daily plan. The most common meaning is definitely.
Daily routine.
But, be careful. It's not a false friend like,
Timetable.
which in German would be.
Fahrplan.
Got it. Can you tell me more about the grammar?
Sure.
Tagesablauf.
Is a masculine noun, so it takes the article.
Der.
The plural form is.
Tagesabläufe.
The word is made up of two parts.
Tag.
Meaning.
Day.
And.
Ablauf.
Meaning.
Process. Flow.
That makes sense. How do you use it in a sentence?
You can say.
Ich habe einen Tagesablauf.
Which means.
I have a daily routine.
In the past, you might say.
Ich hatte einen Tagesablauf.
And in the perfect tense, it would be.
Ich habe einen Tagesablauf gehabt.
Tagesablauf.
Is used with.
Haben.
Right.
Exactly. And if you want to give a command, you could say.
Gestalte deinen Tagesablauf.
Which means.
Create your daily routine.
That's really interesting. Where does this word come from?
Tagesablauf.
Has its roots in German.
Tag.
Comes from Old High German.
Tag.
And.
Ablauf.
Also stems from Old High German.
Ablaufen.
Which means to flow away or proceed. The word has evolved over time to represent our daily processes.
Wow. I love how words change over time.
Let's break down.
Tagesablauf.
A bit more.
Sure. How do we do that?
We start with the prefix, which in this case means.
Off. Away.
The root.
Lauf.
Means.
Flow. Ran.
And.
Tag.
Means.
Day.
So, when you put it all together, it gives the idea of how your day flows.
That's a clever way to think about it.
Now, let's look at similar words. There are quite a few.
Awesome. What do you have?
For example, with the prefix, we have,
abfahren,
which means,
to depart,
then there's,
abnehmen,
meaning,
to lose weight,
both use the same prefix.
I see. What else?
Another one is,
abstellen,
meaning,
to turn off,
if we look at words with the suffix,
ung,
there's,
Erziehung,
which means,
education,
and,
Bedeutung,
meaning,
meaning,
That's a lot of new words.
and don't forget about compounds. For example,
Wochenablauf,
means,
weekly routine,
and,
Jahresablauf,
means,
annual process,
How can I use?
Tagesablauf.
In real life.
great question. Imagine you're at work. You might say,
mein Tagesablauf beginnt 8 Uhr.
meaning,
My daily routine starts at 8 o'clock.
Got it.
or maybe you're talking to a friend about your day. You could say,
Ich mache eine Pause in meinem Tagesablauf.
meaning,
I take a break in my daily routine.
That sounds practical.
and when you're planning a trip, you could say,
Wie sieht dein Tagesablauf im Urlaub aus?
which means,
What does your daily routine look like on vacation?
I'll try to remember those.
remember,
Tagesablauf.
is informal and is commonly used in everyday conversation.
Are there any phrases that go well with it?
Yes. For example,
Meinen Tagesablauf planen.
meaning,
To plan my daily routine. Tagesablauf ändern.
meaning,
To change the daily routine.
And what about similar words I should avoid confusing with it?
watch out for,
Tageszeit.
which means,
Time of day.
and,
Tagesordnung.
meaning,
Agenda.
they can be mixed up.
Can you give me some example sentences with?
Tagesablauf.
Sure,
Mein Tagesablauf ist sehr organisiert.
means,
My daily routine is very organized.
another one is,
Hast du einen festen Tagesablauf?
which means,
Do you have a fixed daily routine?
That's helpful.
also,
Ich habe meinen Tagesablauf gestern geändert.
meaning,
I changed my daily routine yesterday.
and,
Am Wochenende ist mein Tagesablauf entspannter.
Meaning,
On the weekend, my daily routine is more relaxed.
This is great. Can you quiz me a bit?
absolutely. What gender is?
Tagesablauf.
It's masculine, right?
Correct. What's the plural form?
Is it?
Tagesabläufe.
Yes. Good job. Now, can you give me the present tense conjugation for?
Haben.
With.
Tagesablauf.
Okay.
Ich habe einen Tagesablauf. Du hast einen Tagesablauf.
And,
Hat einen Tagesablauf.
Perfect. Now, what does?
Gestalte deinen Tagesablauf.
Mean.
it means.
Create your daily routine.
Yes. Last question, what's a common phrase with?
Tagesablauf.
Maybe.
Meinen Tagesablauf planen.
Exactly. You did great. So, to summarize, today we learned about
Tagesablauf.
meaning,
Daily routine.
I learned so much.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember to practice these sentences in your daily life. Keep up the great work, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. I can't wait for the next word.